Okay, so to add to the previous video or the recent one I just uploaded, there is one more thing that is about this knob. So when you set up your keyboard or set the registration or create the registration file to play some left hand bass, there is something you can add to it, which is these two live control knobs. And for the SX series, I think this has been preset to filter here and then reverb here. So if you are using the S series, you can press on assign, and then I think number 7 will give you filter / reverb. So what you do is that, let's see. Okay, so what we do is that for the filter, it's going to give you something like this. So it can give you a brighter sound or a warmer sound. So that's all about the filter. For that, I usually don't use it, except I want it a bit brighter, all the way up to 10. So let's try 10 and see. And what the reverb does is that it's some kind of echo added to your sound. So with this, we don't hear any echo. Let's turn it to full 127 and see. Take it off again and see the difference. Fully. Okay, so with this I also recommend between 30 and 40, but it's all about you, what you feel like doing. So I'll set it at 35, just midpoint. Okay, we have 35 here. Okay, so that's it. So we can save this to 1, we go to 2, reverb, filter will be at 10, and then we take reverb to 35. And then memory and 2, and then we can save the registration back. So this is just all that I want to add to it. And then if you are done saving, you can turn these knobs back to the center point here. It will not affect it. Once you've saved it, when you press it, it will reset to the 10 and 35 that you previously saved. Okay. Okay, that's all for now.